Hey makers, this is Raveen, and here I come up with the monthly update for the May 2026 Copilot Studio. There are four important major pillars which I'm going to talk about today, which has been improved throughoutly in the May month. If you are following the Copilot Studio on a daily basis, these updates really matters a lot for you. So let's get started. So the very first pillar of this overall game is computer use agent and workflow. There are huge changes happening into this particular space. Let's deep dive into it. Second change is all about work IQ and interoperability. What has been changed and improved over there? Let's see as well. Third is real-time voice. Again, very amazing feature. I would definitely recommend to watch some of the videos from Microsoft around this particular case study. It's mind-blowing. And number fourth is again some of the platform improvement with regards to Copilot Studio. Let's take a deep dive into it in each particular feature. We all know that what is computer user agent. If you haven't watched my full video on computer user agent, the link is available in the description box. Have a look over there. So basically, now the good part about this improvement is computer user agent is now in GA. It is generally available now, so you can use it out for your production purposes as well, which come up with the improved features like secure credential. You can choose the model that you want. It has the different choices like Claude, OpenAI, whichever model you want to use, you can simply use it out. Uh, it is doing the resilience automation and basically embedded into workflow as well. So that's a good part about this general availability release. And now confidently we can build the production ready applications with the computer use agent. Second improvement is around the workflow. We all know that agent flow. The overall journey is started into this way in the overall Copilot Studio. Earlier it was we can connect these like a Power Automate, then agent flow come up into picture, and now this workflow. Again, very redesigned workflow experience, which is providing you the same type of experience how we were traditionally built with trigger, business logic, agent mode, adaptive UI action outcome. And again, like currently it's not available for everyone, only for certain US tenancy. And if your environment is as set as an early release environment, then only you can able to access this particular feature. But the redesigned workflow experience brings a more intuitive visual designer for building and orchestrating agentic automation on unified canvas. So you can see how action, design, and AI powered step work together as the overall process. So basically it has the agent nodes, AI powered actions, and of course less friction. So this is all about workflows. So obviously start exploring this new feature out, and definitely I'm going to create a full video on that very soon. But this is again very good enhancement or improvement as a new feature which has been rolled out into Copilot Studio world. Next, we'll talk about some improvements around work IQ and interoperable agents. Now, what does exactly mean by over here? So basically, you nowadays you can connect the intelligent system, intelligent automation, workflows, and enterprise tools to operate and work it together. Now, work IQ, we all know that it is basically providing you the overall picture of your Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Now, Work IQ, if you want to integrate within your Copilot Studio, it offers the REST API, CLIs, remote MCP servers, agent to agent protocol. Agent to agent protocol is now in GA, and remote MCP server and REST API. Basically, you can integrate your work IQ more flexible into existing operational and development workflow. And again, with the MCP, you can connect your agent with tools, service, and enterprise resources. That is again very, very important that this new capabilities in work IQ reduce one of the integration and let agent share the context across the different environment easily with this implementation. So it's all about like connected agents. Next, we are having real-time voice agent. Uh, what exactly that offers? So generally we see that traditional voice agents are like a typical. They are using the computer voice, and sometimes it's very annoying to deal with it. Now this is like a more real-time and natural voice, which is responsive voice interaction. And again, however the traditional call industry was working, that is definitely going to be changed after this particular implementation. So basically, it builds the natural voice experiences that handle the real customer interaction end to end with governance built for the scale. Uh, it basically goes into this way to identify the callers, it understands the emotion, it answers it, it takes the action in the mid call, and again, like handoff with the proper context. So that consider as a server to server voice, which connect the voice agent into the existing service and operation system very easily. And of course, it has the new governance guide as well, which includes the escalation testing, monitoring, security, compliance, and operational readiness for scaling the voice agent responsibilities. Right now, it is in GA, specifically in the North America, and Dynamics 365 Contact Center has basically this particular updates. Again, I'll share the reference link in the chat window as well. You can look at the full case study video which Microsoft has rolled out, and that will definitely blow your mind. Next update we are having is around the current platform implementation of the Copilot Studio. So basically, the new orchestration layer has implemented in the Copilot Studio now. We know that we are having the classic orchestration, generative AI orchestration in the Copilot Studio. Now, build on an upgraded AI Slack, which basically strengthening the tool orchestration and execution quality for more consistent outcome across the complex multi-step process in early release environment. Now, what benefit you are getting with it is specifically it has the 20% more performance than it was earlier and reducing the token usage by 50%. So again, very improved thing. Of course, try it out in your environment so that you can check out this performance and the better way of orchestrating your agent. Another interesting improvement is around agent lifecycle visibility. Now, what do you mean by that? So, agent lifecycle visibility updates help the team to understand whether an agent is in generating mode or ready for the testing mode, or whether it's successfully published or you are resolving the issue. Basically, it reduces the guessing work during the development and making it easier for the IT teams to manage the deployment at a scale. So that has been improved as a part of the platform updates. So in short, this month we got this more meaningful features like computer use agent, which makes general availability, new workflow designer, orchestration become more good and leasing less tokens. We get the modernized voice specifically, and you can connect everything with the work IQ MCP A to A work IQ API links. So that also make your skill set much more better for using the Copilot Studio. So that's pretty much it I'm having for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And if you want to join any premium membership, the join button is available over here. You can simply join it out from this particular option. And there are different premium courses also available on my YouTube over here exclusively to watch. With that note, this is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next episode with some amazing content. Till then, have a great day. Goodbye.